Hey guys, welcome back to Apna. I am Kushal, and today I have got something really special to share. I have the referral for becoming a Google Student Ambassador this year. Yes, you can be the face of Google on your campus. So, what exactly is this program? If you are passionate about AI leadership and want to represent Google at your campus, this is for you. The Google Student Ambassador program is all about building the AI leaders on campus. Ambassadors host events, workshops, peer learning sessions, and introduce students to Google Gemini tools, all while representing Google in their own college or university. That's it. Now, let's quickly talk about eligibility. For this program, you must be an undergraduate student in any college, institute, or university. The referral is only open for the students from the west, east, and central regions of the India only. Then third, be a problem solver with the initiative. Fourth, passionate about AI and the Gemini awareness. Fifth, you have the leadership qualities and you organize the event, you host the events or active community builder. And yes, every nominee must fill out the application form to be eligible. So the next and important part of this video, that is what are the benefits after becoming the Google Student Ambassador. Okay, as a Google Student Ambassador, you will get the swags, rewards and vouchers. Also a Google certificate of completion and also the chance to represent Google in your campus. You have the opportunities to host cool workshops and events in your own campus. Also connect with the AI interface nationwide experts and the Google team. Yes, you have the direct exposure to Googlers and the Gemini tools. Okay, the last but not least, my opinion. Honestly, this program is not just about the swags and certificates. It's about growth. I have seen how engaging with such communities open doors, builds leadership skills, and creates a real impact. If you love tech and taking initiative, this is definitely worth it. So, if you want my referral, just DM me on the Instagram at Apna page. The link in the description. Don't miss this chance to level up and represent Google on your own campus. Catch you guys in the next one, and maybe as a fellow Google ambassador. So, see you soon. Build the logic and grow together.